The white-clawed crayfish is the UK's only native freshwater crayfish species and our largest freshwater crustacean. They live in a diverse variety of clean freshwater habitats, tending to prefer calcium-rich waters containing rocks and cobbles, tree roots and dense aquatic vegetation. Described as ecosystem engineers, a species that creates, maintains or modifies a habitat, these crustaceans play an important role in maintaining our rivers. They are omnivorous and eat a wide range of food from the food web, including plant matter and woody debris, which contributes to the recycling of nutrients in the river. Their activity also brings oxygenated water into the sediment at the bottom of the river, which benefits all the creatures in the watercourse. They can be identified by their peachy chelipeds, or claws, which are rough and spiky, unlike signal crayfish, which have smooth claws. The rostrum, or nose, is smooth and points converge towards the end of the crayfish. They have one spiked post-orbital ridge, which is a lump behind the eye, and a row of tiny spines on their shoulder. Other crayfish species in the UK have smooth shoulders. Sadly, white-clawed crayfish have declined dramatically in recent years, with the species listed as endangered throughout its range by the IUCN. The white-clawed crayfish is threatened by a number of factors. Crayfish plague is a fungal infection that is lethal to white-clawed crayfish. It is spread by American signal crayfish, but humans can also transfer it to other rivers on wet equipment like fishing nets, waders and wetsuits. Biosecurity procedures are very important if you use the river for fishing and kayaking. Additionally, non-native crayfish, such as the American signal crayfish, outcompete native crayfish because they are bigger, stronger, breed faster and are active during the day and night. Poor water quality and pollution incidents, such as sewage discharges, agricultural runoff and chemical discharges from industrial units, can decimate not only the native crayfish, but all life in the watercourse. Flea and tick treatment from dogs and livestock in rivers can also kill our crayfish, so it is important to keep them away from watercourses after treatments. And lastly, habitat destruction by dredging, vegetation removal and taking out trees from the rivers has also had a negative impact on the white-clawed crayfish populations. They need these wild habitats to survive. There are a number of organisations working together to protect and enhance the survival of Norfolk's white-clawed crayfish populations. You can find out more at our website norfolkriverstrust.org/crayfish.